Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your Apple Watch must be paired to your iPhone and signed into the same Apple ID. Once done, open the Find My app and tap Devices to begin. Make sure your iPhone has internet access and Bluetooth on so it can communicate with the watch. This step locates devices nearby and queries Apple's network for offline devices. Doing it now saves time and prevents chasing false positives. After selecting your Apple Watch and devices, observe the map and the last known location. This tells you where it was seen. If it's nearby, tap Play Sound to ping the watch. If it's farther away, tap Directions to open maps for turn-by-turn guidance. Also check the battery and whether the watch shows offline versus location found. That distinction explains whether you'll get live updates or rely on the last reported position. If you can't immediately retrieve it, enable Mark as Lost to lock the watch and display your contact details. This protects data and gives a finder instructions. Then toggle Notify when found so Apple will alert you if the watch reconnects. If recovery looks impossible, consider remotely erasing the watch to protect sensitive info. Sign out of your Apple ID only if you're handing the device off. Troubleshooting tip: if the watch remains offline, check
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.